Good morning, Unicorn Squad. Apparently, oh wow, it's dark. Apparently, I had the urge to show y'all my slime collection. It's not very big, but it's like, it's okay, alright? Yeah, that's what we can say. It's okay. So the first slime we have here is the slime I actually messed up because it's like there's water and activator in this, and the slime is like overactivated. I'm planning on fixing the slime because the slime is stretchy and it's good to play with. It's just that like it's wet and like overactivated, so I don't know. I'm gonna put that to a container. Oh, and I named this one Tide Slime. So next one. So the next slime is actually this jiggly green slime I made. It's stretchy, it has lots of glitter. Sorry about y'all, that my mom called me. So like I was saying, I have this slime called Green Apple. I actually have two slimes called Green Apple. So hold on, let me get the slime. Oh! Oh my. Oh my. So here's my next slime. So the next slime I actually called Lavender. It's this purple. Oh, it was sticking to the container. It's this purple slime that I like. It's like a lavender color, so I call it like lavender, and it is very much amazing. And it's like perfect. It's stretchy. It's not sticky. It's like the perfect slime. So I'm just put it back onto the next one. So this next slime is this blue slime that had air bubbles at the top. It's this blue slime that I made with this, but I actually used this bottle. And I put Tide in it, and it just turned it a whole different purplish blue color, and it's like the lavender slime. It's a bit sticky, but it's not like, sticky where like I have to put more activator in it. But this slime I find appealing and amazing. So what I'm gonna do is this. Oh wait. So I have this next slime that also has air bubbles at the top. It's basically the same slime that I just showed y'all, because I have like same slimes, because I made a big batch of slime that I had to put in different containers. Oh my, this is sticky. So I just put more Tide in it, and it's not sticky anymore. Cause what's that?
You never been hibachi?
No. What's that? Is it Chipotle?
No, it's like when they cook in front of you. Like,
oh, I've never been there. Right. So yeah, this is next slime is exactly the same slime, because that batch of slime was actually huge. Air bubbles, whatnot, blah blah blah. It's amazing. This one is actually not sticky, because yeah, like have the same slime on everything. Okay, next slime. And this next slime is actually the blue slime I was talking about that I made with the borax. So the borax was clear instead of Tide, so it actually came out like the blue color. And I made this one live on Instagram. So like it's like perfect, like the lavender slime. So yeah. Oh, I forgot. I call these three slimes that are the same thing, I call them Bunchy. I don't know why, I just call them Bunchy. And I call this one Blue Raspberry. I'm forgetting to tell y'all the names. So next one. So the next slime is this pink slime. Ooh, is this pink slime that is difficult to open. It's pink and it has like glitter in it, and yeah, I'm like obsessed with glitter as always. And working with glitter is a little bit messy, as y'all know, because I've had experience and it didn't go so well. Next slime. So this slime I actually made because I mixed all the glues together and like made the slime, and it made a big slime, so of course there was another container. And I call this one, what did I call this one? I call this one Dark Meme because it's like a dark green, and dark meme, dark green rhyme. So, ow! I just got a cramp. And of course, the very last slime is this one. Oh, that did not want to come out of the container. Oh my. This slime is a bit sticky. But, activator who? Okay, time to put my slimes away. Thanks for watching Unicorn Squad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like the slimes you saw today, leave in the comments which one was your favorite. I say, the blue one is my favorite so far because like my favorite color is blue. You know, everything blue is like amazing to me. So. Anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching, and bye.